Today I'm trying the top most popular food chain restaurants in Japan. From ramen to pizza, I've got everything. So let's see which one is the best. The first one is Ichiran, the famous ramen shop serving tonkotsu broth. We had to stay in the queue for a while and it was quite of an experience. After paying, we had to circle this thing, basically all the preferences, how our ramen was prepared, the richness, the broth, the spiciness, all of that, and we had to do this while staying in the queue because it was absolutely mental. We went there twice and every single time we had to wait for like half an hour, which is fine because it's in very high demand. This is every introvert's heaven just because you get seated in your own cabin and you can eat however you want. Then you handle your preference and after a couple of minutes you get your fresh bowl of ramen, which smells like the best thing ever. I think for me this is the best chain, if I'm being honest, just because of the price and the value, and the overall atmosphere is priceless. You get your food and you don't speak with anyone except the person who deals with the queues.
お待たせいたしました。
ありがとうございます。
お待たせ。
The best thing about this, you can eat however you want. No one's gonna see you and just be as messy as possible because it's so intimate and absolutely love it. So rich, so flavorful, amazing. The next one is Sukiya, Japan's must-try leading gyudon chain. There was no queue and we ordered from this cute little machine. We were able to customize however we wanted, adding salad, kimchi and so on. The atmosphere was really great, really chill, and yes, it was a total bargain. Like, I can't believe how cheap this was. I got the cheese gyudon with kimchi spicy sauce and my husband's got gyudon with 3 cheeses plus some grape juice, which was great. The juice was really good, and also we got a little Tabasco sauce to sprinkle a little bit on the top, which was a great add-on. And yes, this came so quickly, like faster than McDonald's. This was so freaking fast, literally 1 minute. Maybe because it was pretty empty, I don't know. So today we're trying the Sukiya, one of the biggest chains, if not the second biggest chains of food in Japan. And this is my little bowl, like Korean soy sauce, cheese and lots of beef, but this is how it looks. So itadakimasu. Let's try it and see how it is. So that looks really good. Lots of cheese, lots of fries, fried onion. Oh, that's actually really good. It's a bit spicy. That is amazing. Really tasty. Would you have this again?
Definitely.
My husband's got one with 4 cheeses, and I got and I got the one with the Korean sauce and the cheese as well. And it has sesame seeds as well. Like, it's unbelievable good. It's like disturbingly good value. How would you rate it?
10.
I definitely rate it 10 out of 10 for the taste and for the value. Japan just never ceases to amaze me, genuinely. Cheers. So this came up to a total of 1,360, which is about 6-7 quid for 2 people. Show me a better value like nowadays. Can you?
Nope.
Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Next up, it was MOS Burger, McDonald's biggest competitor in Japan. The experience was a bit underwhelming. We had to order directly from the counter. With our limited Japanese, it was quite tricky. So this is what we got. It's like a melon soda, some chips, and here's the burger. Looks alright, I'd say that. Come on, focus. Yes, that's the burger. Looks quite tiny. And this is what we paid for this. So basically we paid 890 yen, which is about £4.80. No bad at all, but we'll have to try and see how is this interesting combo. Okay, so we're trying the chips. Itadakimasu. Oh my goodness. Ooh, that's really hot. That is actually burning hot. They taste exactly like McDonald's chips, but like very fresh, very salty, very nice. Good chips. Now let's try the soda. Oh, that's really good. It's like an old school type of soda I used to have and my mom used to have, so it's really good. I like the soda very much. This is how the burger looks like. Quite thick, very, very hot. It smells just like an usual burger. Oh my goodness, it's very, very liquid. All the onions. Okay, cheers. Oh my. Oh, it's alright. I think it's very it's going everywhere, but you know what? It's tasty. It's different. And I like it. What do you think about that?
Very nice.
It's very liquid. Everything just goes
Very messy, but very nice.
I think McDonald's has serious competition in Japan. Very good value for the money. I must say their logo looks exactly like the McDonald's ripoff of the Russian version, which is Вкусная точка. I don't know if you heard about that one, but it's literally the same thing. Next up is Saizeriya, an Italian family-style chain restaurant, which obviously serves Italian food, and the prices here were really low. I was not really keen to this one just because Italian food in Japan doesn't sound really appealing, right? But I had to give it a go. Most of the clients here were either teenagers or tourists, which says a lot about the place. The ordering system was a bit confusing and we had to go directly again. But I had so much fun, I can tell you. It felt like a proper novelty. So I got the pizza with triple buffalo cheese, some tiramisu and some cheap wine for only 90 yen.
91 yen.
91 yen in a plastic cup. Plastic, yeah, glass. And I got a little sausage pizza. Yay! Let's try the cheapest meal we could ever have in Japan for only £7. This is absolutely insane. Let's see if it's worth the price. Itadakimasu for Kappai. The first we're gonna try is the cheap one for only 91 yen, which is like £2. That's insane.
That's like 50p.
That's 50p, the cheapest one I could ever have in my life. So, Kappai. It actually tastes like okay. It doesn't taste that bad, you know. It tastes like cheap wine, yeah, but it's not that bad. I taste worse wine. We're gonna try the pizza, which looks alright. I really like the size just because I don't like to have a huge pizza, and I really crave like some dough. So I think this pizza was like too quick. That was really good value. Really cheesy. This pizza genuinely tastes like the cheapest pizza you get from Asda or Aldi and just make it in the oven. But it's like £2 in this Saizeriya restaurant, which is crazy. I just can't get over this wine, which is full of sulfites and it's so rough. It's like the worst type of vodka you could ever have in your life. Like, this is such a gimmick of experience. It's like more for the novelty, if I'm being honest. But like, for this price, it's like £7 for everything. So Is it worth it? I don't know, but I'm having so much fun. It definitely feels like Japan spoon's version of Italian, because I feel like if Italians would ever compare, it would be absolutely outraged by the taste. But anyways, time to try the tiramisu. So yeah, let's see how it does taste. Itadakimasu. Taste. Smells nice. This tiramisu tastes worse than the tiramisu we have in the Sainsbury's or like Tesco's, because they have so much more flavor, like coffee and whatever liqueur you add there. These just taste like sweet cream, and that's about it. I thought this was gonna be top tier, but like this place is unbelievable. Seriously, it feels like the biggest novelty you can have in Japan. I tried Coco Ichibanya as well. I did not film, but love to. And that's my top. What do you think about it? Have you tried any of this? Let me know. Subscribe. Bye.